come to encourage you, those that are feeling like they're in the wilderness. Get ready for the rain. God is about to pour out some blessings in your life where you won't have room to receive. I come to encourage you to hold on just a little while longer, because God is about to pour out blessings that no man, no door can be shut. But all he wanted you to do is trust him through the wilderness. It was a wilderness time for you because he needed to get you by yourself in order to show you that I am the Lord your God. I never left you nor forsaken you. I will be there until the end of time. I come to encourage you tonight to hold on just a little while longer and let God do the situation for you. But why is it, God, when I said I will serve you, it seems like all hell broke loose in my life? That's because God had to show you, will you trust me even through the trial? So if you trust me through the trial, remember I'm about to pour out blessings that no man can close. I'm about to open up doors that no man can shut. Why is it, God, when I finally made up my mind to serve you, it seems like a sickness was wrecked up in my body? That's because God needed some time to show you, will you trust me? When the doctors say no, will you say yes? When the doctors say go home and just wait on him, will you trust God and say, God, I'm going to serve you even in my sickness? If I can't say nothing, I'll just wave my hand. Even when I can't speak, I still give you some praise. God, I don't know where my finances. It seems like when I started serving you, God, that it seemed like my money just started going somewhere. And I can't understand why I'm living paycheck to paycheck. God is saying, don't worry about it, my brother. I'm about to rain down finances in your life. God, I don't understand. How come it is that my relationships, me and my husband keep arguing. Me and my husband keep fighting. It seems like we can't get on one accord. God is saying, don't worry about it, baby. I'm about to rain down in your situation. Get ready for the rain. God wants to pour down joy in your life. God's going to pour down peace in your life. God is going to give you a fresh anointing. God is going to give you power from on high to speak to the devil and tell him to be moved. I come to encourage you to hold on just a little while longer. Hold on just a little while longer. God is going to rain down. God is going to purify every demonic thing. I don't know why. Oh, Lord Jesus, help me, Lord. Help me, Jesus. 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 I see the enemy. Oh, I just saw him. Help me, Lord God. God, help me, Jesus. Come on and worship him. Come on and worship him. The devil just walked in. Come on and worship him. Come on and worship him. Hallelujah, Jesus. Come on and bless him. Come on and bless him. Hallelujah. We're not giving no room to the enemy today. We coming to serve him. Notice that I forgot I'll live and forgot I'll die. I come to serve him, brothers, that no weapon formed against me is going to prosper. I am a child of God. You cannot have my mind. I just hear that. You can't have my mind. Allow God to regulate your mind. Whoever it is I'm talking to, you better serve God. You better give him the best praise. I don't know who I'm talking to, but God, you better give him the best praise you could possibly give him. Tomorrow is not promised, but you better bless the name of Jesus. You better bless the name of Jesus. Oh, yeah. While I'm giving a message, the enemy is messing with somebody's mind in here. Whew. Whew. God said you shall live and not die. Whew. 'Cause I know that you can. 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 'Cause My God. Ooh. 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 He can't hear. The devil has no power. But what you give him, start speaking in your life. I shall live and not die. I don't know who it is, but I can feel the enemy just creep in. I feel it. Jesus. 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 All power, Jesus. All power, Jesus. I call on the name, Jesus. I see you, Satan. I see you. You ain't got no authority here. You will flee in the name of Jesus. Demons tremble at the name of Jesus. I need some saints to call out the name of Jesus. 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 Power in the name of Jesus. Healing in the name of Jesus. Yeah, you're the boss. You're the boss. You're the boss. Keep coming to the side. I don't know why, but I'm walking down this aisle. Come on, Jesus. 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 All power. All power. All power. All power. All power. All power. A mind regulator. Jesus. A mind regulator. Jesus. A mind regulator. Jesus. A mind regulator. He is a mind regulator. He is a mind regulator. He is a mind regulator. Jesus. I'm sorry, y'all. I got to do what God tells me to do. Oh, you're the most. Healing, deliverance,